welcome back to the channel Learn With Me. Today we are going to talk about tuples. What are the tuples, how to add elements in a tuple, how to loop through a tuple, and how to join two tuples. So let's go through it. Tuples are similar to lists, uh, sets, and directories, but there is something unique within tuple, that is, once you have added the element in the tuple, you can't change the element and even the order in the element. So tuples are uses rounded braces. So let's go through this example over here, where tuples is equal to sorry tuples is equal to apple, banana, and cherry. uh, and when you print it, you get this curved brackets as well. And if you find out the type of the variable tuples, then you will get a class called as tuple. How to add an element in a tuple? uh, we know that tuples that can't be changed once we have added it. It is immutable. So then how can we do like add elements in the tuple? So we have to convert it to a list and then add into a tuple. So what we do is, we have an tuple over here, tuple x, which has some elements in it. So then we convert it into a list over here, and then we wanted to add kiwi at the location first. So we add kiwi at the first location and then convert it into tuple, and then if we print it, you can see that it is present in the set tuple, class tuple, and we can see at the first index kiwi is added in it. um, how to loop through a tuple? There are two loops. One is the for loop and the while loop. We can loop through it, like we have a variable tuple which has the fruits like apple, banana, cherry, and we are using a for loop with the keyword in. So when we print the output of this program, we get apple first, then banana, and then cherry. The similar way, we can even loop through a while loop, where we need to know the length of the tuple, and using the keyword len, we can traverse through the loop in the tuple. So here there's the changes are like, we have a variable called as tuples. We initialize an variable I as 0, so that we can traverse through the tuple from the 0th index till the length of the index. Then in the while loop, we are finding out whether I is less than the length of the tuples. If it is less, then it prints the content at at the location I, and then we here increment the index, that is I, to I plus 1. Similar way, we can print the contents of the tuple. Join two tuples. To join two or more tuples, we can use the operator plus. So we can go through this example over here. We have tuple 1 which has ABC in it, and there is a tuple 2 that is 1, 2, 3. So we are creating one more variable, that is tuple 3, and we are assigning tuple 1 plus tuple 2, and the output of tuple 3 will be uh, ABC and then 1, 2, 3. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe to our channel, Learn With Me.